Alright, I'm making a video, but it's not going to help you at all whatsoever because I don't understand exactly what is being labeled where. Well, what we have here is an equilateral prism. So this would be the base. An equilateral triangle prism. Not prism. Fuck. Pyramid. That's what it is. So the base is an equilateral triangle, where all these are the same. Okay, this is us looking from the top down. There would be the center of the top, and it would do one of those, one of those. Now, if it's an equilateral triangle prism, why do I keep saying that? Pyramid. That means that this top point, if we rotated our view, maybe I should make those dotted lines. Okay. And then, like right there would be the middle of the triangle going to the base. And it said that the height was 6 centimeters, so that's a really poorly drawn triangle. Maybe I should draw it this way. Does that look better? Looks sort of good. I don't know. Anyway, we're looking for the height. Should take this in the center of this and go down. So does that make sense? Between any of those? Well, no, it gives us that. It gives us that as 6. So this little line from this here up, which is the same as that up, which would be this one if we were looking straight down, from the top down, is 6. But it also says that the focus, dun dun dun, pew, pew, pew. Focus. Oh, I took a picture somehow. Anyway, it says that the edge is 6, I think. Let me go back up here. An edge length of 6 centimeters. Well, the edge would be this. But if that's also 6, that means that this and this are the same length, but that can't happen unless they're the exact same line, which would mean there would be no base at all. The base would be 0, because otherwise it would look weird. It would look like I'm drawing this all while looking at my phone. Then this part right here would also be 6, which means it would poke out of the bottom just a little bit. That would be the dotted line. And then everything would have to come down just a little bit. And that's not a pyramid at all. Which doesn't make any sense. It would be like if you took a triangle like this. Like this is us cutting the pyramid and just getting, like, okay, there'd be another side to the pyramid, obviously. It'd be an isosceles triangle. But then you're saying, oh, this is 6 and this is 6. But that can't happen unless, like, this can't be a right angle. That doesn't make sense. Because, okay, remember Pythagorean theorem? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Well, let's say a is 6 squared, which is 36, and then c is 6 squared, because that's the hypotenuse, which is 36, which means that b squared, well, then it can't be anything. You've already got 36 equaling 36. B can't be anything. It doesn't make any sense. So this problem's messed up. I don't know what they're calling things. I know that like if we're going to follow the triangle that's on the side here, like this triangle right here, they were calling that the slant height. So that's not even a number that they're talking about. It'd be this thing going along the triangle. But they don't even talk about that. They're looking for the base height, which as near as I can tell is remember this one right here where we're looking the top down? The base height to me is this point all the way down to the middle here. But to me this is like I can't understand it. It's stupid. So I would ask your teacher for further clarification on it, because honestly, if I would just write down 0 and draw all these pictures right here where you're trying to figure it out but you don't understand it. It doesn't make any sense, like, to look for the base height of the equilateral triangle on the bottom, because you're not using any of the mathematic calculations for a pyramid. You're just using a triangle because the bottom's a triangle. So that doesn't make any sense either. So the problem's messed up. Roundabout way of saying it. But screw that problem. Yeah. I'll go on to another one.